Look no further than the 2018 Ford Explorer. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Take on every project with confidence in this spacious, versatile Explorer. This handsome midsize SUV offers a solid, comfortable ride and options that let you customize capabilities such as towing and intelligent all-wheel drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Count on Explorer to make your adventures all they can be. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.